If using AI still feels like more work than it saves you, these 5 habits might help you change that. Now, I use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Lovable, Figmake almost every day. And I found that how you communicate to them makes a huge difference to the quality of what you get. First, context. Now, don't just tell AI what to do. It's going to give you garbage in, garbage out. What you're going to do instead is help you to understand what you're working on, who it's for, and what you're trying to achieve. And don't forget to mention any important constraints you want it to be aware of or consider while doing the work. The next thing I do is I use a lot of samples, especially if I'm trying to create a particular visual page or content. I often share an example of what I'm going for. It doesn't have to exactly be the same. This simply gives AI a clear reference point than trying to explain everything from scratch. The next thing I actually use when engaging with any AI tool is using the voice to text feature. Now, I'm a deep thinker and I'm also a natural talker. I rather think out loud. I know there are some people that are deep thinkers and they want to write. I write, but I also love talking, especially when I am processing an idea. So instead of spending ages trying to type the perfect prompt, especially when I'm building, I talk through my thoughts and let AI help me organize them. It's faster and I don't have to arrive with a perfectly formed idea. The next thing I do is I use one AI tool to communicate with another AI tool, especially if you are building. This is a very, very big hack. When I'm building with Lovable, for example, I don't always prompt it directly. I would usually use tools like ChatGPT or Claude, depending on what I'm feeling that day, as a thinking partner to explore the idea, clarify the requirements, and turn everything we've discussed into a detailed prompt. Then I take that prompt and put it on Lovable. You don't necessarily need more AI tools. Sometimes you just need a better way of working with the ones that you already have. I'll see you in the next one.